In this video we have some logarithmic and exponential type expressions to evaluate. We're not to use a calculator. That suggests we need to find an exact value for these expressions. We're going to use some properties of logs. Some of these I've used in other videos, so I'm just going to let you look at these. These are properties you should know and know how to apply them. You can pause this and kind of look through these. Got several properties there, definition of log. The ones that we're going to use in this particular video are the ones I've highlighted in red. Change of base formula we used before, just to evaluate expressions. Also use it to solve equations. And again, the two we're going to use are right here. And they're actually based on the fact that the logarithmic and exponential function are inverses. So f inverse of f of x, with the f here and the f inverse represent the log or the exponential function. F inverse of f of x is the same thing as f of f inverse of f of x, which is equal to x. So notice here I have a to the log of m to base a. Here's base a. Base a, when that occurs, this simply tells you that the value of this is m. But if you look in this form, log of a to the r to base a, if this base here are the same, the answer is the exponent. This r. That's all you have to look for. So let's look at, so the first one we have log of 1/8 to base 2. So let's rewrite it this way. The 1/8 is the same thing as 1 over 2 to the, and 1 over 2 to the third is the same thing as 2 to the negative 3. Now you know, you see the property here. This base and this base are the same. So the answer is the exponent. This is negative 3. That's the exact answer to that one. We look at the next one. Again, very similar. Log of 81 to base 3. We can write 81 as 3 to the 4th. Now you look at the base again. Log to base 3, the exponential with base 3. Base is the same. Answer is the exponent here. That's equal to 4. The next one. This is natural log of e to the square root of 2. Now keep in mind, for natural log, the base here is understood to be e. They don't put it in there, it's understood, so this is e. So we've got the same base there. So the answer is always the exponent using that property of logs. That's the square root of 2. This one again, the other way around here. We have e, and then the exponent is natural log of 3. Again, this base right here, it's understood, they don't write it in there. Let's see, e and e. This comes out to 3. This one, again, base 2 here. And then the power is log of 0.4 to base 2. So at the base here the same. At the base here the same. The answer is this expression here. So this is going to be 0.4. Same thing over here. Got log of 2 to the square root of 3, and the base here is 2 for the log 2. The answer is the exponent. This is the square root of 3. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.